Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how the EV boxes for cars work, the charge boxes? I used to have one here. Actually, I used to have two. Each of them broke within a couple of weeks. It's Wallbox, the company. And then I decided I don't want to deal with the reclamation process again. So I took it down, gonna break it up, see how it works, try to change the logic in it, code a little bit, and then see if we can make something better. Cool. So I removed some of the parts from the wall box, or like just remove some screws. So now we have like this is still the smartness, I think. So this is the computer that runs all the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stuff. Here's how you connect with USB, but this is the Area 45. So this is a Ethereum cable. So like just internet if you want to connect through this. And this all seems way more microcontrollery, right? So this is the smart part, the brain. But here is where the heavy lifting happens. So this is the socket you connect your car, obviously. And we talked about it having few holes here. All these are the actual AC cables. So you have three phases. I'm not actually sure if they're up, but let's say there are three phases, neutral and grounding cable. And you can also see it here, right? So these thick ones, those are the ones that takes a lot of the energy. So that's the AC current going through them. And the ones on the left, the dark colors, those are phases. This is neutral and this is grounding. This is a coloring scheme that everywhere is used. So like, you know, in that socket, it's the same thing. It's just one phase. So it only has, I think, black and these guys. So you always have neutral and you always have grounding. And these 2 points, those are proximity pilot and control pilot, I think. One of them tells the system that the car is connected. The other one is a very simple communication between the car and the box, basically agreeing on the voltage or on the amperes that it can take. Then there was one more bit which was attached to this, and this is, I found out that this is a lock, I think. It says micro actuator here. It means that it's something that you electronically can move, like a small actuator, yeah, like engine. And then here you can see that there's the pin, and it probably goes in, and then lock the cable. I don't need that, so that's good. And then we have this board. I think this is where most of the magic happens. So these white things, those are the most important bits. Those are the relays, the 4 of them. I don't know what they're for. I would expect 3 actually, because just for the phases. This one has a blue stripe, so maybe it's neutral, but I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. But how relay works is, say you have a... oops. So we have a line coming in, like a phase, and then the goal is to get it on this line, right here, so that it goes to this hole, so that it goes to the car. But the whole purpose of this box is to make it secure, so that the power isn't here always, but just when it's needed. And that's what these relays are for. So the cable in that board down there, circuit board, it goes from here through some other components probably to one of the relay ends, and from the other relay end it goes here and then back to your car. And the cool thing about the relay is that then you apply some voltage here and it like opens or closes, right? If you apply voltage, it closes so that the energy goes through, and if you don't apply the voltage, then it opens. By default it's open, so the energy doesn't go through unless it gets a signal from, you know, some sort of computer or something that tells it this is supposed to be open now. So this... Great, that was it. Sorry about the horrible camera and the sound on this video, But I wanted to show what it actually does inside, how it looks like inside. In the next video, I think I'm gonna go over like just what is very basic chargebox, like what's the minimum viable product there, and then a few versions below, and then yeah, then we'll try to build it. Thanks for watching. Bye.